Welcome to our YouTube channel, where horological wonders come to life and luxury meets timekeeping excellence. We are delighted to have you join us on this journey of discovery and sophistication. In today's video, we have something truly special in store for you as we unveil the remarkable Breitling Superocean Heritage B20 Automatic 42. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of horological excellence as we unbox this extraordinary timepiece and reveal its captivating features. As the anticipation builds, we invite you to witness the unveiling of the Breitling Superocean, a luxury men's watch that combines elegance, performance, and enduring style. In this video, we will take you on a journey as we open the box and reveal the meticulous craftsmanship that lies within. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's delve into the intricate details and specifications of this exceptional timepiece. The Breitling Superocean features a case crafted from stainless steel, reflecting the brand's commitment to durability and timeless design. With a water resistance of 200 meters, 660 feet, this watch is built to withstand the elements, making it an ideal companion for aquatic adventures or everyday wear. The dimensions of this masterpiece are equally impressive. With a diameter of 46.0 millimeters and a thickness of 14.9 millimeters, the Breitling Superocean makes a bold statement on the wrist while ensuring a comfortable fit for prolonged wear. Weighing approximately 165.0 grams, it strikes the perfect balance between substantial presence and wearability, showcasing the brand's dedication to meticulous craftsmanship. At the heart of this remarkable timepiece beats the Tech 4861 caliber, a self-winding movement renowned for its precision and reliability. With a high-frequency vibration of 28,800 vibrations per hour and 26 joules, this watch delivers exceptional accuracy and a smooth sweep of the seconds hand. The impressive power reserve of approximately 70 hours ensures that your timepiece keeps ticking, even during periods of rest, adding convenience and peace of mind to your horological experience. The Breitling Superocean is not only a masterpiece in terms of functionality but also in design. The unidirectional ratcheted rotating bezel allows for precise measurement of elapsed time, while the screw-locked crown with two gaskets ensures optimal water resistance and protection. The cambered sapphire crystal, with its glare-proofing on both sides, guarantees optimal legibility and shields the dial from unwanted reflections and scratches. Now, let's talk about the strap. The Breitling Superocean features a sleek black rubber strap, designed to complement the watch's aesthetics and provide exceptional comfort. The straight strap type and precise craftsmanship ensure a secure and stylish fit on your wrist, making it a versatile companion for any occasion. The 24-20mm lug width further accentuates the watch's design, ensuring a seamless integration between the strap and the case. In summary, the Breitling Superocean is a testament to the brand's commitment to exceptional timekeeping and enduring style. With its stainless steel case, remarkable water resistance, and technical prowess, this timepiece embodies the spirit of adventure and elegance. From the self-winding movement and high-power reserve to the unidirectional rotating bezel and cambered sapphire crystal, every aspect of this watch is designed to impress. In closing, we would like to express our gratitude for joining us on this horological journey. We hope that this video has sparked your passion for fine timepieces and left you inspired by the remarkable craftsmanship of the Breitling Superocean. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more captivating content as we continue to explore the world of luxury watches and share our enthusiasm with you. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we eagerly look forward to welcoming you back for future horological adventures.